In this video, we'll be going through how to fix the invalid license key error on XAUBOT. If you're trying these steps and still facing the same problem, don't worry. We've added additional troubleshooting tips in the video description to help you out. First, start on your XAUBOT dashboard. Go to the subscriptions section. Here, you need to verify that your activated license key is correctly connected to your broker account number. Select your subscription, click Edit Account Number, and then open your MetaTrader to check your exact account number. Enter the correct number in the box and hit Save Changes. Once that's done, head over to the bot settings. Enter your license key again to activate your bot. After saving, your bot should now be live, and you should no longer see any errors in the Expert or Journal tabs. If you still have questions or run into any issues, feel free to reach out to us. Thanks for watching, and we hope this helps you successfully solve the problem.